Hi students, today in our class we are going to refer previous year papers of KSET subject sociology. Uh, let's start our class. The first question is, who has written the book Urbanization and Family Change? The answer is M.S. Gore. Who is the proponent of a dialectical approach to the study of Indian society? The answer is D.P. Mukherjee. Who coined the term primary group? The answer is C.H. Cooley. Who introduced the deschooling concept? The answer is Ivan Illich. The next question is, primary folkways are the first basic social order. Who said this? The answer is W.J. Sumner. The next question is, who conceptualized social movements as a temporary public space? The answer is Ehrman and Jameson. The next question is, according to Hutton, which is the most important function of caste? The answer is to unite Indian society. The next question is, the important ethical aspect of social media are? The answer is transparency and privacy. Next question is, land reform policy was recommended by the Agrarian Reform Committee. The next question is, who said that social stratification is the process by which individuals and groups are ranked in a more or less enduring hierarchy of status? The answer is Ogburn and Nimkov said this statement or definition. The next question is, the classification of sociology into the systematic and general sociology and historical sociology was made by? The answer is Karl Mahem. The next question is, the reform movements bring changes in? The answer is value system. Reform movements bring changes in value system. The next question is, Malik, Kisan and Mazdoor as agrarian classes was given by Donald Turner. Given this agrarian classes. The next question is, the concept of bureaucratic personality is propounded by M. Diglas. The next question is, according to M.N. Srinivas, what are the three levels of westernization in India? According to M.N. Srinivas, the three levels of westernization in India are primary, secondary and tertiary. The next question is, the concept of role in sociology refers to behavioral component of status. The next question is, for Weber, all human actions are directed by meaning and motive. The next question is, Max Weber's theory of stratification differs from that of Karl Marx because he introduced an additional structural category of status group. So it was different from Karl Marx theory. The next question is, according to Emil Durkheim, the simplest and most basic form of religion is totemism. The next question is, Emil Durkheim defined religion as a moral community. Who wrote the book The Poverty of Philosophy? Karl Marx wrote the book The Poverty of Philosophy. According to Max Weber, the ideal type refers to the model. The answer is a model based on certain features of a phenomenon. The next question is, religion, marriage, family and caste are the examples of social institutions. It means social institutions. If we take social institutions, marriage, religion, family are the examples or come in social institutions. The next question is, the book Magic, Science and Religion and Other Essays was written by Malinowski. The next question is Sikh role, the concept developed by Parsons developed the Sikh role. The next question is the concept of out-group was first coined by, the answer is W.G. Sumner. Who studied the structural functional unity of joint family in Mahua? The answer is I.P. Desai. This question is taken from second PU sociology book. The next question is the book Peasant Struggle in India is written by A.R. Desai. Who classified societies into simple compound, doubly compound, triply compound? Herbert Spencer classified societies into simple, doubly and triply compound. The next question is Jajmani system indicates a set of economic relations. The next question is Neo-Marxism believes in at least semi-autonomy of the religious sphere. Are the examples. Subnuclear family consists of husband and wife only. Who distinguished conflict as an external conflict and internal conflict? Louis Couser distinguished conflict as external conflict and internal conflict. Who expounded or propounded the theory of socio-cultural change? Sorokin propounded the theory of socio-cultural change. The next question is George Simmel classification of groups as monad, dyad, triad is based on yesterday we studied in our class. George Simmel classified groups on the basis of size, like small group and large group. The next question is the term intergenerational mobility is movement is the intergenerational mobility means what? Means movement into different occupational categories between generation. So these are the questions previous year papers from 2017 to 2020, the questions of sociology case set paper. Thanks for listening.